Hello, my hungry friends. Today we're taking on the mighty Eggs Benedict. Just the name sounds posh, right? Like a dish fit for royalty. Don't panic, this isn't MasterChef. We're going from what even is hollandaise to look what I made in under 10 minutes. Ready to conquer this brunch time masterpiece? Let's do it together. Before we start cooking, let's round up our delicious crew of ingredients. Let's start with the basics, English muffins. If you don't have English muffins, normal slices of bread will do. Next, we will need Canadian bacon, or ham. If you don't have either, smoked salmon or even crab meat will do. Fresh eggs, the stars of the show. Choose large ones for epic yolks. Spinach, a great way to add greens to your brunch. If you're not a fan of spinach, some rocket salad or lettuce will do. Fresh chives, for that final flourish of green. They add a pop of color and a mild onion flavor. Hollandaise sauce is the creamy, dreamy soulmate of Eggs Benedict. We're whipping it fast and fabulous with my trusty sidekick, the handheld blender. This method is foolproof and saves you from the hassle of double boilers and endless whisking. First, melt some butter. About half a cup should do the trick. Make sure to melt it gently over low heat to avoid burning. While it's melting, crack 3 egg yolks into a bowl. The egg yolks are the base of our sauce. Add a splash of lemon juice, a pinch of salt, and a dash of cayenne pepper for a touch of heat. The lemon juice adds a bright, tangy flavor that balances the richness of the butter. Now here comes the magic. With the blender running, slowly drizzle in the melted butter. This step is crucial. Adding the butter slowly ensures that the sauce emulsifies properly, creating that perfect, creamy consistency. Keep blending until the sauce thickens and becomes smooth and glossy. This should only take a minute or two. You'll know it's ready when it coats the back of a spoon beautifully. Congratulations, you just made hollandaise sauce, see? Easy peasy. Now let's move on to those eggs. I'll show you an easy way to poach your eggs. Even a 10-year-old can do it. Now grab a cup with water halfway up, then add a pinch of salt into the cup. Optional. You could add a tiny bit of vinegar into the cup if you fancy it. Next, crack an egg into the cup and microwave this baby for 60 seconds. Gently take the egg out from the cup and place it on a paper towel to get any excess water out. And voila! You have a poached egg. Repeat with the remaining eggs and get ready to assemble our Benedict masterpiece. Now comes the fun part. Assembling our Eggs Benedict Tower of Deliciousness. First, toast your English muffins or bread slices until they're golden brown and crispy. While they're toasting, cook your Canadian bacon in a skillet until it's heated through and slightly crispy. Now, let's build. Place a toasted English muffin half on a plate. Top with a slice of Canadian bacon. Place your greens on top. I'm doing wilted spinach and avocado. Then gently place the poached egg on top of them. Finally, the pièce de résistance. Drizzle that luscious hollandaise sauce over the poached eggs. And then, I like to sprinkle mine with a dash of cayenne pepper. Just a few finishing touches, and then it's time to feast. A sprinkle of fresh chives is the chef's kiss for our Eggs Benedict. Not only does it add a pop of color, but it also gives a lovely oniony, garlicky flavor. Eggs Benedict, conquered. This once intimidating dish is totally doable, even for us mere mortals. You just need a little practice, that's all. Okay guys, you know what to do. Like and subscribe for more brunchy shenanigans.